Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup review for everyone and I'm so excited kasi lumabas na yung KRIS Aquino Life Kit sa BEAUTYMNL. So I actually ordered this before we left for La Union and dumating siya and I'm so excited talaga, girl. Kasi today we will be road testing all the products. Overall, I purchased 4 products. So dalawa yung product niya, one for the kilay and then one for the lips. So 2 shades each. Let's start off muna with the kilay product. We have the KRIS Brow Liner and Brow Mascara. So 2-in-1 siya, making it really bongga kasi diba girl, 2-in-1 na. And then I got the 2 shades which is Happy Taupe and Beyond Brown. This is what the packaging looks like. As you can see, it's very KRIS Aquino with all the hearts. And isa pang like ko dito is that it is completely sealed with plastic. Ayan, tinanggal ko lang yung nasa kabila. And then, I like the packaging. It's simple, pero ang ganda niya. For my kilay today, I'll be using Happy Taupe, which is the lightest shade of all. Super cute ng product, guys. Look. Meron ulit mga hearts and dual-ended siya. So on this side, you will see the retractable pen. And yung shape ng pen is teardrop shape, making it really easy for you to like really fill in your brows. Sa kabila naman, yung brow mascara. Ayan. Ang ganda ng brush. I like yung mga brush na ganito for brow mascaras kasi ayoko yung mga mahahaba. Mahirap siya i-maneuver. So here is a before of my eyebrows. Again, madami akong kalbo and hindi sila pantay. So, I'm gonna start filling them in now. Okay, so gumuhit siya agad. Yun yung gusto ko sa mga brow pen kasi yung iba parang kailangan mo pa siyang diinan ng bongga. Pero this one, I'm using it with a very light hand strokes lang. And the product is being deposited agad. Sa inner corners, I like yung pataas dito para minimimic yung brow hairs. Like that. Oh my gosh. So far, the pencil is filling my brows in beautifully and naturally. Oh my gosh. Girl. My gosh, I love it. And the shade Happy Taupe is super duper natural lang talaga. Hindi din siya yung overly waxy kasi yung ibang brow product, diba, yung parang sobrang waxy niya na pangit na tingnan, yung parang basa na tingnan. Anyway, let's put on the brow mascara just to set our brow hairs in place. Again, the spoolie is really easy to use kasi nga manipis lang siya. This is perfect to set your brows in for the entire day. So we're gonna be road testing this kung talagang tatagal siya ng buong araw. Pero so far, I love it. Oh my gosh. And then, set natin with the mascara. Here's the after of my kilay, guys. Oh my gosh, sobrang ganda niya. And all we have to do now is to test kung gaano katagal siya maglalast all throughout the day. Another good point of the pencil is that hindi siya flimsy. As in, makapal siya and hindi siya yung tipong mapuputol agad. So that's also one of the good points of this product. Now let's move on to the lips. So we have the matte lipstick and I also got the 2 shades, Love and Life. So same yung packaging niya with the hearts. And for today, we are going to put Life on the test. Sobrang cute ng packaging. Chubby stick siya. Ayan. So this is what Life looks like. Let me just give you a swatch. Ito naman yung itsura ng Love. And in my opinion, these are the 2 shades that every woman must have. Kasi yung Life is like for everyday. Pero yung Love, oh my gosh, is a power color. Parang siyang girl boss color for me. And I love it. Every time I wear red lipstick, it makes me feel so empowered. I'll be trying on Life first. Unang-una, wala siyang amoy. Ayoko kasi may amoy na lipstick. It's easy to glide, even though it is a matte lipstick. Hindi siya yung struggle. Actually, very creamy rin siya. Creamy, pero hindi siya yung parang nagme-melt agad. Saktong creamy lang. This shade is so pretty. For everyday talaga siya. It's like MLBB, My Lips But Better. Ang ganda ng Life! Sobrang tamang amount lang yung pagka-matte niya. Hindi siya yung super-duper drying na matte and hindi rin siya yung super-duper creamy na matte. So, it's just in the middle. Saktong-sakto lang. So, again, this is what Life looks like. Let's try Love naman. Oh my gosh. I super love the shade, guys. Oh my gosh. Ito yung tipong red na nakakaputi ng ngipin. Girl, oh my gosh. Ultimate girl boss look talaga. It is now 11:44, so I'll be road testing this all throughout the day and I'll be checking back mamayang gabi kung okay pa siya, yung kilay and yung lip color. But so far, for my first impressions, girl, oh my gosh, I love the products. I love them. And I really like that KRIS came out with products na parang staple for everyday kilay and lipstick. And I hope she comes out with other makeup products pa. Pero for now, this is perfect. So I'll see you guys later pagbalik ko ng bahay. Bye! So I just finished eating lunch and I had salad and I want to show you kung ano yung itsura ng lipstick after eating. Sobrang okay pa rin niya. Inner corners lang yung nawala pero yung outer layer very much intact talaga. Ang bongga. So magre-retouch na ako ngayon kasi we have another shoot and then I'll be back at the end of the day. Yung kilay ko naman ganun pa rin. Parang bago pa rin siya. Parang bagong lagay pa rin. Ang bongga. Finally back home after a long day, guys. So right now it is 9:49 in the evening and it's been such a long day. Ang daming meetings, ang daming ginawa. And I also ate twice. So let's start off muna with the kilay. Update on the kilay. So hindi ako nag-retouch at all. And if you know me, sobrang pawisin talaga ako sa T-zone area. And usually, if I use a brow product na hindi ganun ko okay, talagang mag-smudge siya or matanggal siya. But with the KRIS Aquino brow liner and brow mascara, look at that. Sobrang intact pa rin niya. Kung ano yung itsura niya kanina umaga, ganun pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Ang galing. Alam mo, sobrang unang ginamit ko pa lang to. Like, first impression ko pa lang, sabi ko, sobrang magugustuhan ko ito ng bonggang-bongga. So, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Walang nag-smudge and hindi talaga siya nabura at all. Kahit pinawisan ako and all of that, wala. As in, yan pa rin siya kanina. Definitely giving this brow product 5 stars. As in, pasadong-pasado siya ng bonggang-bongga. And given the price, bibili ako ulit nito kasi hindi siya super mahal. And yung quality talaga niya, sobrang okay. Like I said earlier, yung brow liner niya talaga, hindi siya flimsy at all. So, girl, oh my gosh. And hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo kung gaano kadami. So, let me try. Ganyan siya kadami. And a little goes a long way. So, hindi mo kailangan gumamit ng sobrang dami para ma-fill in yung eyebrows mo. Kasi a little goes a long way. With a light finger, okay ka na. Filled in na yung brows mo. Moving on to the lips. So, I wore the KRIS Matte Lipstick in Love all throughout the day. And then I had to retouch after lunch. I ate salad. And yung salad may sauce. So, medyo nawala yung inner rim. Pero I retouched. And then I went throughout my day, nag-shoot ako, and then I had dinner. So yung dinner ko is tapa, and then I had a glass of wine. Kala ko kasi mag-smudge siya sa wine glass, diba? Pero wala, as in walang transfer at all. Although hindi naman nila kiniklaim na transfer-proof sila, I still appreciate the fact na hindi sila nag-transfer. With regards to the shade, I love. It's like the perfect, again, the perfect girl boss shade forever and ever. So kailangan lahat kayo bumili nito talaga. As in, nakakaputi siya ng ngipin, girl. I tell you. And then after dinner, hindi na ako nag-retouch kasi pauwi na rin naman ako noon. Now, I'm gonna zoom you guys in to show you kung ano yung itsura ng lips ko right now. So, although my lips don't look as perfect as when I first applied it kanina, I still think that my lips look pretty decent after a long day na kumain ka na and all of that. Nagsalita ka na at lahat. I really think na sobrang decent pa rin ang itsura niya. And hindi nag-crack yung lips ko kahit na matte yung formulation nito, hindi siya nag-crack talaga. I still feel na very moisturized pa rin yung lips ko and the color is still there. Yung inner rim lang talaga yung nawawala. Siyempre, hindi may iwasan yun kapag kumakain ka talaga ng pagkain or umiinom ka ng tubig or whatnot, lalo na kapag oily yung food mo. Pero looking up close talaga, girl, inner rim lang yung nawala. Hindi siya nag-bleed, hindi siya nag-smudge, and just the color payoff is super amazing and ang ganda pa rin niya talaga. Very decent pa rin. Although not perfect, pero very decent pa rin yung finish niya after a long day. So that ends my first impression review on the KRIS Life Kit products. And again, I wasn't paid to do this review. I actually bought everything with my own money kasi ganun ko ka-love talaga and ka-idol si KRIS Aquino. I met her twice already and I just really love her. And sobrang na-excite lang talaga ako when she came out with her own products. Kaya girl, I love it. I support her talaga forever and she is really my life peg. And if ever you want to order online, they're available on Lazada and BEAUTYMNL. So again, not a sponsored video, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Do let me know if you love the KRIS Life Kit as well. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Hi, KRIS!